Hi, this is Don McAllister, and welcome to another Screencasts Online weekly tip video. If you have a need to annotate or mark up your digital images, Apple have included a suite of tools available to use system-wide across both Mac and iOS. We covered using the markup tools on the Mac back in episode 644 last week, so let's now take a look at using markup tools on iOS. Across on the iPad, markup is available in several areas. Interestingly, if we go into iCloud Drive, and let's go into my preview folder, if I access an image, it's a PNG image, you'll see on the menu bar there is no markup access for images in the iCloud Drive app. However, if you open a PDF, you do get markup within a PDF. You can see the markup tools down at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so that's within the preview folder of iCloud Drive. Let's go into Mail. So let's go ahead and open Mail. And let's say I wanted to create a new mail. And let's go straight into the body of the email. Tap and hold. And let's go ahead and insert photo or video. If we go into our iPhoto library, and let's select the same image that I used over on the Mac, you'll see if I open it up that there is no markup applied because I reverted to the original on the Mac. We'll go ahead and say Use. Now if I tap the image once and then tap Markup, you'll see down at the bottom we get some markup controls. So a draw control, a loop control, so I can magnify a portion of the screen, text box. I have got access to signatures here, colors, lines, and fonts as well. So if I just wanted to, say, put a loop on here, I tap that, there's my loop. I can drag it around the screen. I can use the blue dot to make it larger, and I can also change the magnification by grabbing the green and moving the green dot as well. We'll say done to that. And there's my marked up document ready to be sent. Now, this won't change the original. This is just a copy of the photo from my iPhoto library. So let's go ahead and say cancel to that. Now, if you receive an image or a PDF that you want to reply to, perhaps you want to comment on the image or the PDF, there is a really nice mechanism built into iOS that allows you to do just that. So here I have an email. It's basically just got a PNG file, which is an Apple Watch image. If I tap and hold the image, we get the standard share sheet pop-up with some new icons in, one of which is to mark up and reply. So if I tap that, I get the image from the incoming email in a markup panel, and then I have the standard controls along the bottom. So I can write on it, I can add the loop, I can add text. Interestingly, I can also apply a signature. So if you get a PDF in that needs your signature, you can do the markup and reply, add your signature. In fact, I think I've got one set up on here. Here we go, Joe Smith. So let me just move that to some of the white background. So let's have Joe Smith there. Let's pretend this was a PDF that wanted signing. Once I've done that, I just tap done. And there is my image addressed to the originator with the image annotated, ready to go back. So I can just say send, and they then receive that copy of the annotated image. And let's take a look at markup in Photos. So if I go across to the Photos application, again, I'll select that particular image, go into Edit, go to Extensions, and there are my markup tools. Let's go ahead and draw on the screen, and we'll say done. And done again. Now that will change the original, but again, I can always go in. If I want to, tap on revert, revert to original, and that will remove the markup annotations. If you want to learn more about using your Apple devices, there are over 700 full video tutorials available to Screencasts Online members, covering all aspects of the Mac, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and even the Apple TV. Now, all full members receive a new Apple-related video tutorial each and every week, as well as a free subscription to the Screencasts Online monthly magazine, packed with videos and articles on getting the most out of your Apple devices. Now, you can get your free 14-day trial membership over at ScreenCastsOnline.com, or check out some of the free content over on the SCO Showcase app on the iPad, iPhone, and Apple TV. That's it for this week. I'll be back next week with another tip, so I'll speak to you then.